today's video, we'll be interviewing some alumni naman.
Syempre, hindi makatakas ang ating mga alumni sa ating #Guides Will Strike episode for our ambush interviews. So without further ado, USI Happy alumni po! Ano po yung favorite area nyo po or location po dito sa USI nung student pa po kayo?
Nimpos, canteen. Yung those are the things that we usually hang out. Because most of the time, during break time, we go out of the campus. Di ba may dyan, mga kantin sa luwas. Doon dyan kami nagtatarambay.
Ako ang favorite area ko doon sa may dating Globe.
Globe?
Oo. Nung elementary kami hanggang high school. Doon kami naglalaro noon.
Ako, sa Paranimpos lang kasi after school, doon kami nag-ano ng snacks. Nagbabakal kami mga baduya dyan sa luwas. Then doon kami nag-snack. Yun lang.
The quadrangle. Wow. Because that's where we play. Yeah. Everything. Wow. Because I've been here since elementary, high school, college, and I work here for 29 years. Clinical instructor.
Wow! Kami doon sa high school building. High school building. Kasi yun na yung bagong building. Doon pa rin. Long time na yun ang bagong building. Favorite place, me, canteen. Pero sa totoo lang, nawawara lang kami.
What is one fondest memory that you have here at USI nung nag-aaral pa po kayo dito?
Yung samahan ng mga USI Isabelinas, hindi man maaalis yung parang para kaming isang family at dahil lahat kami ay babae, we are free to do what we want. At saka yung feeling namin na we're just one. That's why ang namin is Isabelinas ang good pa man. So wherever we go, babalik kami at babalik dito sa USI. And ito ang pinakamagandang opportunity sa amin na magkikita-kita ng batch. Para kami isang family. Ganun kami mag-arte. So that's how we treasure the USI school. The University of Santa Isabel, proud Isabelina.
To be part of all the activities, no, and to be active because being part of the activities makes me belong to this community, which is the USI community.
Well, the rosary every day.
Praying the rosary every day.
Attending the flag ceremony every morning.
Flag ceremony!
My teachers, ones I'm angry with and then the ones that I like.
Of course, there's nothing else that is more the happiest moment in every student's life is the high school life. That's it.
Fondest memory that we have when we were still studying in Colegio de Santa Isabel was the time when we would always play here, and then the time when there were vendors along the fence of our school. We would always buy pyramid, sampalok, santol, and then manga, scramble, and Indian mango. Even if it's already time, we would always go there because we want to eat. We don't mind if our teacher will scold us.
As a student, I would always love and enjoy studying with my group mates, with my friends. I'd like to think that I'm a positive influence on them, right? It's study, no barkada. But my friends, if you will ask them, won't believe you.
happy experience. Ikaw? Well, ang experience ko, very good ang teaching ng mga professors ng USI. And we learn a lot from them, from spiritual guidance and educational experience namin maganda. So we recommend USI.
Fondest memory I have of CSI. I still call it CSI. I started schooling here from kinder till grade 10. So my fondest memory was in elementary, in grade school, our room was at the back of the SA lobby. We call it the SA lobby in kinder, and we were still so small. We played there so much, and then their porteria now, call that the porteria. It's the green parlor, I think now. We used to wait for our sundo there. And in high school, I made my lifelong friends. They are still my friends now, even 25 years after high school graduation. So both small and, adult thingy I got from CSI.
Wow. That's 86, and now I'm a pediatrician. Wow!
Batch 80, high school batch 1981. Wow. Kami 2 years from now. So, three jobs kami ngayon. Our USI and the batchmate are committed to our batch.
Yes! Talaga! Ano po, ang model of Victoria's Secret.
In English?
It's okay po.
I can manage.
Yes! Say hi po sa camera! Batch 80 po.